All right, good afternoon. We are going to start creating an optical illusion for 5th grade students at Roosevelt Elementary School. We're going to start with a square paper. Make sure you write your name on the back. Then you can turn your paper over and try and mark the middle with a pencil dot. It doesn't have to be measured or anything like that. Just find the approximate middle. And then you're going to draw an even number of lines. So I'm going to draw 8 or 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8's not going to be enough, so I'm going to do 2 more. These lines come out from the center like the rays of a sun. The next step is to choose a triangle and start to add curving lines that are all curving in the same direction. This creates an optical illusion that this shape is curved. The section next to this one will be curving the opposite way, but connecting up with these lines. So I'm going to connect here. I'm going to curve the opposite way. And I'm going to join every line. If it's off the paper, just go ahead and continue, pretending like you can see it. I wouldn't go further than 1 finger apart. If they start to get really close together, it starts to get really hard to color them in because the shapes are so small. Over here, I'm going to repeat the pattern. We've got curving over, curving under, so curving over. Each line attaches to one. And then the same here. We're going to curve under again. This part should go pretty quickly. Try and curve your lines as much as possible. I've seen students do this and not have curvy lines but straight lines, and the illusion does not happen. So I'm going all the way around. Wow, what a great audience. Believe it or not, I think there's, 24 students in here with me? How many, guys? 26. We have great students at Roosevelt Elementary. Okay, 2 more to do. This time I'm curving up. Now I have completed all my curvies. And the best way to color this in to create the illusion is to do 1 triangle at a time. So don't try and start this triangle and that triangle and that triangle all around. It's easiest to do 1 at a time, usually with a pattern. I'm going to choose 2 marker colors. Hopefully these work. And I'm going to outline the shape, color it in. Outline the shape, color it in. My marker's sort of running out, so we'll see what happens here. So every other line will be a different color. So now I'm going to do purple, outline the shape, color it in. The reason why we outline first is because it keeps all of the little scratchy marker lines inside the border. It makes it go much faster. All right, well this video is going to be really long if I continue to sit here and color. So I'm going to show you 2 that are already colored in. This one. You can see the illusion happening. I see it most in the orange and purple shapes. It looks like they're going back into space. right? And then here's one that I did with curving lines. This reminds me more of like a fantasy kind of reminds me of a Dr. Seuss book. So I hope you enjoy doing your optical illusion. Have a great day. Let's hear it for Roosevelt.
Yay!